POC Network here with somewhat of a continuation of something we've covered recently. We had just had a very nice video surrounding a projection screen that came in from the company Elite Screens. This is their brand new 103-inch. I mean, this thing is massive. 103-inch Aeon CLR 2 series projection screen, and it is a ambient and ceiling light rejecting screen, which means, you know, all those lights in the ceiling just kind of get redirected back up towards the ceiling so they don't interfere with the image on the screen, allowing to use your projection screen during, you know, a moment where you might have to have the lights on. It could be just because it's in a playroom, or it could be in a corporate atmosphere in a, you know, front lobby of a nice business. But in our video, we specified some of the great features of the screen, and we even gave you some video footage of what it looks like. We did so using one of our more affordable projectors we have laying around, just to show you worst case scenario. You know, even with a $200 projector, this is what it looks like. And well, it came up in discussion in terms of, well, what about a nicer projector, like, you know, what a $1,000 projection screen was really built for. Makes sense? So let's reflect a little bit on that and see what it does look like using a better projector. Now, the projector we've used on this one, we're going to detail this below in the description. It is being shot just above, or being projected, excuse me, in just above 1080p here on this projection screen. It is a short throw projector, but this, the material we're feeding is actually a 8K video, but it's processing through, again, only at just above 1080p through the projector and hitting the screen, and it looks fantastic. And what you're seeing here is, again, you know, it's an ambient and ceiling light rejecting screen. So the whole point is you're able to view the screen with the lights on. And to give you a good demonstration of this, the lights have been on so far the entire time. So we'll go ahead and take the lights off to show you what kind of a difference is between a lights on and lights off scenario. So the room that this projector is in right now, it's a new set we're building around this projection screen specifically. It's going to be take on more of the effect of more of like a gaming den sort of, or well, whatever else you could use a den for, but it's supposed to give more of a darker atmosphere, darker paints, and it's going to be used for some of the some future testing of some of the items that come in the future that we want to use upon the screen to see what it looks like in this given atmosphere. But lights were on, now the lights are off. It shows you there's not really much of a difference between, you know, lights on, lights off scenarios in the room. Now you are going to see a dip in quality. That is guaranteed. You know, whenever you have lights on in a room, you really can't get rid of all of that ambient lighting. However, the amount of ambient lighting that this screen is rejecting and sending back up to the roof is absolutely noticeable. And this video, I believe, gives a perfect demonstration of this, and giving you a better idea of what this screen is capable than, well, our last episode where we covered it with just a basic $200 affordable projector. And a fantastic projector at that for a sub $200 projector, but in this case, it's a little bit more fitting for the screen. This is a multi-$1,000 projector, I believe. I think it's a multi-$1,000 projector, and gives it a little bit more, well, credit for what, you know, what it's due, because it's a nice screen. So $1,000 screen, better projector to show. This is what you're going to set up when you're serious. You really want a nice theatrical experience in a house where you're going to have lights on or off, you know, so just in case you want to watch the game during the day, throw some food around and still have fun without having to turn off all the lights and spill everything all over the place, you're still going to get a lot of use out of the screen no matter what situation you have it in. And again, corporate atmosphere just as good, because it can be used in the, you know, front entryway of a nice office building or something. And clearly you don't want to turn off the lights within your lobby. So again, this is the Elite Screens 103-inch Aeon CLR 2 series. The model number specifically is the AR103H-CLR2. That's right, I remembered that. And we'll have a link right there in the description, just as the last time, so you can go find this screen. It's on their website. We'll have any other links possible to help find the screen as well, located in other places, maybe B&H Photo and so forth. So we'll have those links down there. If you liked what you've seen here, don't forget to subscribe below. We got that button down there. We'd love to hear from you. Do you have a screen at home or at work? That's from Elite Screens. Maybe you want to talk about how great it is or any other experience you may have. Just to throw it out there, all the demo rooms we have here that we do a lot of our testing here do use Elite Screens. A lot of them are motorized. They come down from the ceiling, or they hang from the ceiling and come down, just different formats, but they're really nice screens. So we're kind of biased, maybe a little bit, but we did go into this not knowing what it was going to look like, and well, I think the screen really sells itself. So Elite Screens, once again, nails it. And again, you'll have all that information in the description. So comments and subscription button below, and as always, we thank you for watching, and we'll catch you next time. If you want to stay on top of all the latest and greatest, and or at least the gadgets we cover, remember to subscribe right here. Subscription button. Click it. You're going to want to. There's lots of videos, interviews, previews, all sorts of stuff. Button. Click it.